Al Johar. You understand? And they told me not to tell Sunny sir that you're 13 because I have seen her earning for us, not buying a single thing for herself. Okay, so I was born in Pune and my mother used to work in the industry. So we shifted here and I did my first ad for Baby Johnson's, and that's how my journey started. Then I did print shoots and my mother and my brother supported me a lot. And I got Gahal once again, I got Parvarish. So I started as a child actor. That's it. Bas.
But that's beautiful. But that's beautiful. When you did the Ghayal once again, you know, you have started in a very big sequel with Sunny Deol.
I was
It
13 years
is
old. I was 13.
only.
I was 13 only. And they told me not to tell Sunny sir that you're 13 because he didn't wanted to cast such, younger
Yeah.
child. They were searching for like 17, 18, but at that time I used to look like 18. So after when he came to know that I am just 13, for the first time he hugged me and he said that this is my baby.
Oh,
So he's such an amazing person. He was just like a father to me because I don't have a father, and he treated me
right.
like his own daughter, and that meant a lot to me.
That is very really sweet. That really shows how big of heart he have. And I think if so many people were saying the same thing, that he is a very sweet and genuine person.
At first, I
So,
thought he must be very aggressive and he must be very strict and all of that. But when I met him, he is just so calm and he is just so. He has a very different vibe, very very nice,
mm,
sweet kind of a vibe, and you don't get a lot of that vibe with a lot of people, in a lot of people. So he is just very different, very different. You should do
that's
live
very
chat with him as well.
done. Inshallah, I will try my best to have Sunny Paji on my life. So,
He is
congratulations,
not
have unlocked
socially
category
active.
number one.
Yeah,
Hmm?
he's not very socially active. He has to start.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Okay, so the first question in this category is, again, I will ask the same question. How do you feel to have a new set of fans, which is outside India? Now you have people from Arab countries, you have also from Turkey,
Egypt, everywhere, everywhere.
everywhere.
And honestly, for me, it's a very huge thing. I don't take things for granted, and I've worked so hard. And see, I have also been fans of a lot of people, so I know when when you reach that certain when you reach that certain place, people love you and you really appreciate it. You can't take those things for granted because you have worked so hard to get all of this, and and when you're getting that, you can't take it for granted. So yeah,
Of
it's
course.
just amazing. It's just amazing.
And you should watch how you're being dubbed in Arabic. That sounds so sweet. You know,
I
your
love
voice
it.
becomes.
I love it. I love it. I love
And you will talk some Arabic today also. At the end of the show, I will teach you some Arabic words. Well, I will make a
it. Okay.
dub of your own scene. Yes. So the next question was, how difficult your journey was. Was it easy, difficult, or medical?
Actually, it was not very easy. I had my rejections, like
Hmm.
times when I used to come and hug my mom and cry that why am I not selected, you know. And since I started very young, so I was not so matured enough to understand that there are better people out there in
Yeah.
everywhere. So you have to work hard, and but luckily, if I got rejected by this project, I had a bigger one. So that
Hmm.
was lucky, and I'm just happy. Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I think acceptance, you know, acceptance is very important. That you know that whenever you're rejected, you don't just surrender. You just don't say that, okay, I'm surrendered, I will give up.
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
beautiful thing, that you still have the dedication. This is what people should really understand, especially in this industry, because
True.
you face a lot of rejections. Now the next, you did Bollywood and you did TV. Now, which one you have enjoyed the most?
So for me, TV and movie industry for me is the same. You have to go on the sets, you have to act. Whether it's TV,
Hmm.
whether it's movies, just the only difference is that in TV you're working every day for years and years and years.
Yeah.
But in a movie, you get time periods. Like you're shooting for a month, then you have a month's gap, and then you're shooting again for a month. So I think you get I don't feel any difference. I love TV and movies both. So yeah.
What about OTT? Is something coming up on OTT? Okay, that's the answer. Now I knew the answer. But you never know. Really soon, inshallah. No one knows. No one knows. Maybe after this live, you will get a call. No one knows. But it's all behind. It's all there.
Allah,
Inshallah, you will get. Don't worry.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Now, any particular role that you always dreamt on having it? Like one kind of role character that I want to do this role one day, I want to role that day. Something like that.
Hmm. I love rom-com movies.
Yeah.
So I really want to do a rom-com sort of movie, like even the La La Land and Disney movies, and not
Mm,
a particular role I have in mind for now, but I really want to do that sort of movies, Disney movies, and very eye candy movies.
yeah.
So that's
Or let's say
that's
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
yes, exactly. And I
Yeah.
love Om Shanti Om. I
Hmm.
love Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. That sort of movies. So
That's classic. That's
classic,
very beautiful.
classic.
Really hope so one day. Now that you have done a Begum, I would say Bahu Begum. By mistake, I want to say Begum Jan. I don't know why whenever I say Bahu Begum Jan comes from mind. I don't know why.
A
Now you
lot of
have done
people
Bahu Begum.
have.
Exactly. And the set looks beautiful, extravaganza. Now, have you
Yeah.
ever taken anything from the set to your home?
I really wanted to do that chandelier. I really wanted to.
Oh,
I really wanted to get that home, but then I just maintained my respect and I said, no, I don't want it. I'll buy it myself.
but suddenly they are very beautiful set, It looks
Very
like
beautiful.
like Umrao Jan type, like Mughal Azam type. If I was there, I will take everything and I will not even care what they were saying. No, no, I will
No,
not,
we
of
have
course.
cameras on set, so it's not possible.
Huh? It's
Yes,
turning
we
on
have
every
cameras on
time.
set. Then some
Oh
pics
my
get cut.
God.
So I don't
Okay.
straight away cut.
Exactly. Khalas, you will go. Okay,
Masla maaf
now two
fulus.
last. What? Furus,
Yeah, fulus, that means money over.
How you know that? Oh
Ah, I know
no.
Iranian language. I know Persian language.
Oh, you know Persian language.
Yes, I know Persian, like
How
fluently.
is that?
Because my mother's mother was from Iran and my mother's father was from Italy. So I'm a mixed combination of
Oh,
them.
that's a
I have
very beautiful
Irani.
combination. I know a little bit of Iranian. I know like Awal
Oh,
Shema Khubi, Khub, something like that.
man, I'm Shama Chitar Hastin.
خیلی خوبه. Oh my God, I never knew about it. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful, I
Just a
must say.
from.
Exactly. Now, last two questions. Like, how much you relate yourself, like, actually, Diana, to your character in Bahu Begum? How many percentage you relate to yourself?
I did not get it. Like my reference to Shaira.
Yeah, exactly. Like the personality, the attitude, everything.
Uh, I think I'm a very bubbly person. I am not so serious,
Mm.
but I am also matured. I am matured enough to understand about life, about how this world works. About people. So I think as Shaira is very calm. She's very sensitive, but she's also very strong, very independent.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, I think I am just as mature as Shaira. I do understand that.
Hmm.
world doesn't work like you want it to work. You know, you just have to be you. Up. I'm out of. Oh my god!
Hello.
You rejected me.
Huh?
You rejected me.
Really? It happened? I didn't see. No one can reject you, Diana. No one in the whole world. Those people who reject you, let them go to.
Rejected me.
The first time happens now. But who can reject this beautiful person, mashallah? No one can reject her. Of
Thank you
course.
so much.
This beautiful Persian, Italian, fusion Indian. No one can. So let's
But you
go
know,
to the last
I'm
question
planning to come
before we
Dubai.
go. Yeah.
I'm planning to come Dubai
Hmm?
very soon. I'm planning to come Dubai.
Inshallah, I'm really waiting for that. When? After the lockdown, of
Maybe
course. After
after
the.
this lockdown, my family, me and my family might come Dubai.
That would be beautiful. You're always welcome. You always, like have Dubai is your first home, not only your second home, but it's
I
first
love
home.
Dubai. I love everything about Dubai. The food, the biryani, everything. I am a very big biryani fan. So it was like, mashallah.
Mashallah, biryani, food. I will take the best
Very
place
foodie
when you come to
person.
Dubai. Just let me know. Me too,
Sure.
Allah. But I'm trying to reduce, but it's okay. Still, food is food, na. خلي ولي. Now, last
You are
question.
as you are. You don't need to lose weight at all. I swear on
Thank you
God,
so
even I'm
much.
gaining weight, but we are just very happy person, so we don't need to lose weight at all.
Exactly, we are. We are enjoying our day and night. We are enjoying our life. That's what we are. I think this is what we are,
Yes.
actually. So whoever wants to accept, accept it. Whoever don't want to accept, it's okay. Come later on.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Now, last one, Dinah. The last question is, one challenging moment throughout your journey was?
I think it was the rejections. Honestly, for Ghayal, I had to give auditions like 4 or 5 times. So again and again, they kept on saying, no, we need a better one. No, we need a better one. And that time, I think now, I know what which emotions should I give on this look, which emotions should I give on that look. So as a kid, acting was a bit tough for me, giving the right
True.
expressions, or someone used to shout at me and I used to get like, oh my god, what's happening. So that way, I guess. Or otherwise,
Yeah.
struggle is everywhere, in every field, in every industry, I feel. So I don't think you should, give up
True.
because of struggling stage of your life. Because even my mom is a
True.
single.
What you think is completely true.
What?
Yeah.
So I have seen her
No, I'm saying
struggling.
that's completely true.
Yeah, I've seen her not eating food because she used to think that I have it to my child first. So I've seen all of that. I have seen her earning for us, not buying a single thing for herself, but giving all those opportunities to us. So I have seen the hard work, and I feel that you shouldn't stop trying. You shouldn't give up so easily. Yeah.
That's. I think all I have to say is just God bless her and God bless all of your family, and you
Thank
guys are
you.
doing amazing. Just send regards to her. That's the most important thing.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Now the next category, which is called Super Double Drama. That's all Chai with Ahmed originals. We are doing fun, but as I mentioned, there's a challenging question. Now, this challenging question: have you ever heard a rumor about yourself that wasn't true?
Mm. Oh, not about my age. Like, she's a liar. And once I heard that I am married, I got married, and I have a child. And I'm
Oh
like,
my God!
I'm sorry, babe, I'm not getting married.
Not
So
now,
no,
not
I don't
anytime
have
soon.
horrible rumors about.
That's okay. But at least people, you know, they at
Find
least they
themselves.
want to talk. People, exactly. That's the people. They want only to talk, nothing else. So now we're going to the next category. But the most important thing, can you hear me? Because it's again connection issues. Can you hear me?
Wait, I think I should just change the. Is this fine?
Try maybe. Now it's
Is this
okay.
fine?
Now it's fine. It is, yeah,
Okay, cool.
it is okay. Okay, cool. So the first thing is going to do is dub my scene. So I'm going to show you a scene from an Arabic show. All you have to do is to dub for the female character. Are you ready? Again, the connection is very slow. Maybe I think you have to close either to Wi-Fi or to 4G. Then it might work. I think the network issues.
Okay.
Network issues.
Yeah. Wait. A-
Okay, I think you have
Is
to
this fine?
4G. Maybe it will work because sometimes this really happens. Yeah, it freezes. Exactly, it freezes. Now it's fine, but I don't know. Okay, now it's good.
Oh my god, what's wrong with this Wi-Fi?
OMG. Okay, so now we're doing a dub the scene where you have to dub for the female character in an Arabic TV show. You ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, so this is the scene that you will be doing it, and you will dub for her. You just see the scene, just see what is the attitude, what is happening on, and the scene will start now. Hmm. You want to go for it, or you want to see again?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, yalla, go.
Nobody eats my burger. I said nobody. Nobody eats my burger. You understand?
That that is beautiful. Okay, we have done this one. Now the second category, the second thing is called follow DM like. So I'm gonna show you three celebrities from Arab Middle East stars, male stars. All you have to do is who will you follow, who will you like, who will you DM. Okay. So the first one is this.
So I did not understand
His name is Fuad.
what do I have to do?
Yeah, I will show you the pictures. Yeah, those actors they are celebrities from Middle East, from Arabic. They are male stars. So all you have to do is who would you follow, who would you DM, who would you like. Okay, you didn't hear right?
Please kill me. I hate my network. What the hell?
Okay. I know, right? Okay, now who would you DM, who would you like, who would you follow? To those male Arab stars.
Okay, who do I kill? Who do I like? Who do
No, no,
I
no,
follow?
no. Follow, like, DM, not kill. Why would you
Okay,
kill?
okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is the first one. His name is Fuad. And the second one, his name is Ali. He's a blogger and he's a model. And the third one is Muhannad. Hmm. So all you have to do. Okay, now your choice. Who would you? Or three of them?
I think I will like him.
Okay. And then? Oh, and you will follow him.
Yeah, I'll follow him. I think he's much older than me, so I'll follow him as for respect. But I will like and DM
I thought
those
you would
two.
say you would unfollow him. Oh, okay. Now we know who would you DM, who would you follow. Now we're going to the second last, which is Arab, which is the Bollywood. Bollywood questions. And you know what's happening in this Bollywood question? Five 5 points. Your fans can help you in order you don't know the answers. So the first question.
Okay.
Name any three Bollywood movie names that starts with the letter R.
R. Rajkumar
Okay.
or Basanti.
Huh?
R. Rajkumar, Ramleela, Rang De
Okay.
Basanti.
Okay. Oh,
Rang De
nice.
Basanti.
I thought you say Nach Basanti. I see which movie is Nach Basanti. Okay. Second question. Name any movie that stars Kareena Kapoor and Rani Mukherjee in one movie.
Rani Mukherjee and Kareena Kapoor. Oh shit.
Hmm.
Mukherjee, right?
Mm.
Rani Mukherjee and Kareena Kapoor.
Famous
Oh my
movie.
god. Can I use Google? I just cannot use Google.
Okay,
Shit.
let's fans. Fans, can you help her?
Rani
Let's see the
Mukherjee and
fan.
Kareena Kapoor.
Someone answer.
दोस्ती
But that's
करोगी.
मुझसे
मुझसे
दोस्ती
दोस्ती
करोगी.
करोगी. Yeah,
Nice.
Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. Exactly. Now, third question. Who did the cameo in the movie Dostana as a male character?
Bobby Deol, right? Bobby Deol,
Nice.
right?
Question number 4. Yes. Question number 4. Who played Manisha Lamba's father in the movie Kidnap?
I did not understand the.
You didn't hear? Okay, now it's good. Hello. Okay.
Hello,
Who
darling.
played Manisha Lamba's father in the movie Kidnap?
I have no idea. I haven't seen that movie. I have. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
someone answered for you. Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt.
Oh, Sanju Baba.
Sanju Baba. Yes. Okay, now last one. I'm going to show you a song. Tell me the song name or the movie name. I will
Okay.
make it easier for you. Either
Is it
this or
Zero
that.
Katrina Kaif? Is it Zero Katrina Kaif?
No. I will not make it that easy for you. I will not make that easy for you. This is it.
Okay. These were the two sisters that fall in love with the same guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, क्या नाम था इसका? I have no idea the movie's name. I've seen this movie.
The song name.
La 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 la. I have no idea.
Okay. Let's see what people will say. The fans, quickly. Okay, someone answer.
Dil hai tumhara. What is it?
Dil Hai Tumhara. Yeah, Dil Hai Tumhara. The
I
heart is
have
yours.
seen that movie. I just don't remember the name.
Yeah, but at least you say the story how it was, so it's okay. It will be counted.
Okay.
So now the final, the Arabic. Are you ready? Okay.
Eh.
Now I am so much ready. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, there'll be 5 words or 5 sentences and words mixed. So three of them will be normally that you will only pronounce and react, and the other 2 I will tell you later what that would be. So let's begin the first one, which you already know.
Ahabik.
Which means,
Love you.
yeah,
I
say the
love you.
expression.
Love you.
No, say the Arabic expression now.
Oh, sorry. Ahabik. Ahabik.
Ooh, I love you too. This one now. This
Ahabik.
one you already know, خلاص.
Jamila.
This is easy.
Ahmed
See, I'm giving you very
Jamila
easy
Bai.
ones. Jamila, they say for the girls only. Now this one.
Al Johar.
Hmm? Which means, oh, Diana, you have very nice network, I must say. Your network is Jamila. I can't hear you anything. I don't know what you're saying, but you're saying something that I can know.
It's Jamila network.
Is it Jamila network? Yes.
I don't know what's wrong.
Okay.
And
Wallah, I
but
have
just
no
keep on
idea.
going. Yeah. I'm live.
अरे बाबा क्या हो रहा है? Okay, let me just invite you back because this is a very important session only. Wait, wait. Let me just I don't know what's happening. But yalla, let's say it.
Okay. Al Johar. Al Johar.
That expression is
Al Johar.
with expression the weather is hot.
Al Johar.
It's actually just so much. Okay, now this one.
Shofikom Banat Leash Tigaron Men Jamale something.
Yeah, which means
What's wrong, girls? Why are you all jealous of my beauty, baby?
yes. So we say شو فيكم بنات ليش تقارون من جمالي. So how you say it?
Shufikom Banat Lesh. What was that? Ligarun
ليش تغارون. Yes.
Lesh
تغارون. Or you can say تقارون.
Tigarun. Lesh Tigarun Men Jameli.
جمالي.
Jamali.
Yeah,
Jamali.
now say the expression.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Okay, wait. Show me come banat lesh tikarun.
That's so difficult for you. Okay, شو فيكم بنات ليش تقارون من جمالي.
Show me come banat lesh tikarun men. I'm just stammering at this one. Men
Which one?
Jamali. Men Jamali.
من جمالي. Men is like man, men. You can say like that.
Okay. Show me come banat lesh tikarun men Jamali.
You did it, finally. Okay, now last two.
Enta Wasim. You're handsome. Enta Hasim. Wasim, sorry. People will ask
Okay,
you,
again. Say it one more time.
Enta Wasim. Enta Wasim.
Oh. Now last one. Okay, this one you say, this one you said. Okay. Now that was it. Now what I will be doing, I will be taking a clip for your show and I will put your own voice dubbed with those voices. So it will be look very nice. It will look something very cool that you know you're talking Arabic by your own dubbed. So that will
Oh
be
my
something
god.
nice. Yes, I will post it this week only for you. So that was it. Although the network was amazing, the network was Jamila, but still we have done it. So what do you want to say lastly to everyone?
Nothing. I had a lot of fun. This was the most fun live chat ever. Thanks to Ahmed and all the fans around the world. Your love really keeps me going, and I will never give up. I will come back soon with a bang, for sure, and love you all.
We love you too, and I really hope that next time when we come live, the network is a little bit more better, little bit only more better,
I will
inshallah.
my Wi-Fi guy, and I'll keep on saying you Jamila.
You know what you can say? You can say them. Yeah. Don't say bad words. Say good words only. Be positive.
I say listen, you Jamila, come home. I will. What is the problem here?
They will definitely come very fast. fastest service ever.
Yeah, that's what I don't know what's wrong. I'm on Wi-Fi and बदला लिया
It,
जाएगा उससे.
inshallah, itna ही बदला लो जिनका खलास, they will never think that they will come back again. But honestly speaking, मुझे बहुत मजा आया आज live
मुझे
इस session के लिए, और it was such an amazing having you. You're so bubbly, you're so cute, you're so Jamila, mashallah, I must say. And whenever you're in Dubai, we will definitely meet and we'll do a proper face-to-face chat with lots of fun, and then of course we'll cruise you Dubai to the best places, of course, that's for sure. And
I was so
inshallah, all
nervous
this pandemic.
to come live with you. I was just so nervous, and I'm like, what will happen? And then you just made me so relaxed. Thank
That's the power of me, of chai with that. Oh, where's your chai?
you for that. Thank
You didn't bring your chai, no?
you for making me feel so comfortable. And I think
Although I can't hear what you're saying, but the sounds so good. I don't know what you're saying, Diana, but it sounds so good. Because the network is connecting.
I
So
hate
let's
my
leave,
network.
and all the best and love